In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Hostinger email. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Hostinger account and sign in. Make sure you're using the correct account that has your hosting or email plan connected to it, because that's where your email management options will appear. Once you're logged in, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the main dashboard. Hostinger keeps most of the important tools organized in the side menu, which makes navigation fairly simple once you know where to look. After you're inside your account, move your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, click on Email. This is the section where Hostinger gathers all of the email-related features tied to your account. If you have already purchased a plan that includes email, this is where you'll be able to see it. When you open the email section, you should be able to view the email service connected to your plan. This area typically shows the email accounts or email options available for your domain, depending on what kind of setup you have. If you purchased a separate email plan or a hosting package that includes email features, this is the place where those details will appear. If you don't immediately see any email listed, it usually means one of two things. Either the email plan hasn't been purchased yet, or you may be signed into a different Hostinger account than the one used to buy the service. In that case, double-check your account and make sure you're in the right place before continuing. The main thing to remember is that accessing Hostinger email starts from your account dashboard, then the left side menu, and then the email section. From there, you can confirm whether your email plan is active and view the email service available to you. This is the quickest way to locate your Hostinger email tools without searching through other settings. A helpful tip is to bookmark your Hostinger login page if you plan to check your email settings often. That can save you time later and make it easier to return to the email section whenever you need it. And that's it. That's how to access Hostinger email through your Hostinger account. Once you know where the email tab is located, the process becomes very straightforward and easy to repeat anytime you need it.